Morning, children. Welcome back to the class. Children, now from today onwards we'll be going with the new chapter, children. Okay? See here, children, the new chapter and the first chapter, and it is related to the chemistry, children. That is matter around us. Okay? Normally, wherever we see, all the substances are made up of some or the other matter. Okay? Some or the other matter. Okay? That means here in the universe, every substance, even the human beings, we also are made up of some or the other material. That is, we are made up of the cells. Okay? Okay? And here matter is made up of the matter is made up of atoms, children. Okay? Matter is made up of the molecules. Okay? And molecules are made up of the atoms. Molecules are made up of the atoms. Excuse me. Okay, here, children, atoms combine together to form the molecule, whereas the molecules combine together to form the matter. Okay, and here each and every substance in the universe is made up of the matter. If we take a fan is made up of the plastic and iron. If we take a wall is made up of the cement and the sand particles. Okay, if we take the wood is made up of the wood particles. Like that, each and every substance is made up of some or the other particles, children. Therefore, here we say that matter is made up of some or the other particles. And here in this, we come across terms called as the atoms, molecules, children. Okay, therefore here what I say is that matter is made up of molecules. Matter is made up of molecules. Okay, and here molecules. What do you mean by molecules? Molecules are made up of by atoms. Atoms combine together. Atoms combine together to form molecules. Okay, here, children, atoms combine together to form the molecules, and molecules combine together to form the matter. Okay, and here first we come across what do you mean by atom. Atom is the smallest particles such that which cannot be divided further. Atom is the smallest particle such that it cannot be divided further. Normally, children, if you take a chalk piece is divided. It can be a big chalk pieces can be divided into small particles, small particles. Or if I take a paper, children, if I take a paper, okay, if I take a small paper, here, children, if I take a small paper can be divided into small pieces, okay, and here this small piece again it can be divided into some more small pieces, okay, and here this some more pieces also can be divided into small pieces, okay. At last we get a point, small piece, dot like piece of paper such that it cannot be divided further. Okay, children, which cannot be divided further. Therefore, here whatever the particle which cannot be divided further, it is called as a matter, children. It is called as the atom. Atom is the smallest particle which cannot be divided further. Okay, atom. Atom is the smallest particle. Atom is the smallest particle which cannot be divided further. Atom is the smallest particle which cannot be divided further, children. Okay. Therefore, here whatever the particle which cannot be divided further, a small powder like piece, it is called as the atom, children. And all these small pieces which cannot be divided further, they combine together to form a molecule, small piece. And here all that small pieces attached together, it forms the matter, children. Okay, like that each and every cell, each and every object is made up of the some or the other matter. Okay, like that, children. Therefore the minute particle what in which it can be formed is the atom, children. Okay, and here, children, in the textbook he is asking, he is saying that, oh, you may have heard the phrases like, what is matter? The matter was closed. Okay, matter was closed. Normally we say that whatever that we are talking, we say that the matter was closed. Have you ever wondered what is matter is? The meaning of this term is very different for scientists, that of a form of a common man. That means the common man thinks that whatever that we talk is the matter. But whereas in science, it is different, children. Okay, in science it is different. The matter regarding the science is different. Okay, and here, children, all you had heard about the metals, non-metals, synthetic and natural fibers, acids, bases, etc. in the previous classes, that is in the 9th, 8th class, children. And all the things around us which exist, they will be in the different shapes, sizes and texture, also examples in matter. The water we drink, our food, clothes and various things that we use in our daily life, the air we breathe, even our body, etc. are the examples of the matter. Here, the air we breathe is also matter, children. Okay, our body is also matter. Okay, children. And here, what do you mean by the term matter? Okay, anything in this world that occupies space and has mass is called as the matter. Normally we define the matter as, okay, of course, how the matter is formed is, matter is formed by the combination of the molecules, whereas the molecule is formed by the combination of the atoms. And here, what is an atom? Is the atom is the smallest particle which cannot be divided further. Okay, children. And here, whatever we say, the matter is okay, anything in the world that occupies space and has mass. Anything in the space, whatever that is there, anything in the space which occupies mass. Okay, anything in the space, okay, that occupies, anything in the world that occupies space and has mass. Anything in the world, anything in the world which has mass, and which occupies space is called matter. Normally, if I take, children, a chalk piece of chalk. Okay, here, children, I am taking of a piece of chalk. Here the small piece of chalk here is, children, and here it is occupying some space and it is having some mass. Okay, it is occupying some space, some little bit space in the space it is occupying, and it has certain mass. Therefore, here whatever that is occupying this space and which has mass is called as a matter, children. Anything in the world which has mass and which occupies space is called as a matter, children. And here matter exists in a different forms. Matter exists in the different forms, children. Okay, matter exists in the different forms. What are the normally here in the textbook it is given as there are 3 states of matter, children. Okay, 3 states of matter, but normally now at present state we are having 5 states of matter. Okay, children, 5 states of matter. States of matter. States of matter. States of matter. That means how the matter exists. The matter exists in the different forms, children. Okay, matter exists in the different forms. Okay, here matter exists in the different forms. Matter exists in the different forms, children. That is solids, liquids, gases. Here BEC children. Bose-Einstein condensate. Bose-Einstein condensate and plasma children. These are the 5 states that the matter exists children. Okay, about these 5 states, how about these 5 states we'll be learning in the next class children. Thank you, have a nice day.